Killer spot. Bush bash. Let's go fishing. Okay, out fishing with my cousin Scotty. Down here from Alice. Ah. G'day, mate. G'day, mate. Fucking hell. Check it out. Some sort of eel-tailed fish. Ha! Thought it was a carp. Oh yeah, nah. Oh, it's mad. Well, let's get him in. It's some sort of eel-tailed catfish.
Yeah, it's catfish.
How fucking cool is that?
That's exactly what I'm triggering.
Yeah, he just chased another one off and then he took the first lot of bait and then boom, landed it right in front of him. He's a lot bigger than I thought.
Yeah, bloody hell. He's bigger than the one I'm targeting too.
You got spikes? No. Huh. What a mad little dude. Fuck yeah. Cheers, bro. Fishing with my cuz.
That's fucking sick, eh? There's another one just here, look. Carp.
Yeah, that's a carp.
That's a carp.
For sure. Yeah, I reckon that's what he chased off because he was hanging around just past that tyre. See the tyre out there?
Yeah, yep.
And he kept going back to the same spot. Oh, you're such a rad little dude, man. Right, let's get this hook out.
That's exactly what I'm trying to get over here.
Yeah.
Same fucking type of fish.
Right,
I found his hole and everything. I watched him go back into his hole.
Yeah,
So
yeah, same, yeah. Yep.
I literally just put a hook straight down into his hole and he bit the hook, or bit my fucking bait straight off.
Yep.
So I'll try it again.
I can't get him off.
Is he swallowed it or?
No, it's just stuck in his corner of his jaw. I don't want to hurt his tentacle. Feelers, whatever you call them. I'm also not left-handed.
Carp again.
Fuck yeah.
You got them all down here, you fucking lucky bugger.
Oh man, that's fucking in there. Come on, mate. Let go, don't clamp your jaw shut. That is buried, bro. Alright. Don't even know if I have my pliers in my fucking... Oh. I'll have to put him down.
Yeah, put him up here.
Aha, g'day Mr. Billabong. Yeah, mate. This is a killer spot. Ah, g'day quack quack. Quack 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 quack. Deep water.
Yeah, fuck off then.
Nice. Almost as good as being out bush. It's a bit mucky on the other side. St. Peter's Billabong. G'day, mate. Wow. Weed for days. Huh. This side's a lot clearer. Only a little bit down here. Beautiful. Alright, let's go for a fish. Must be time for a swim. G'day, fella. There, mate. Maybe no time. Nice spot this. Duck's still chilling, don't even care. No luck with the fish here. And I'm nearly out of time. Oh well. It's all fun and games. Ta-da, mate.